Fame and notoriety often blur in today's world, yet they stand as polar opposites in essence. To be famous is to be celebrated for positive contributions, innovation, talent, courage, or kindness. Think of scientists like Marie Curie, whose groundbreaking work on radioactivity earned her 2 Nobel Prizes, or icons like Nelson Mandela, revered globally for dismantling apartheid through resilience and moral leadership. Fame built on merit lifts society. It inspires, educates, and unites. Notoriety, however, stems from infamy, scandal, crime, or moral failure. Figures like Al Capone or modern-day cyber criminals gain headlines not for creation but destruction. Their names echo through history as cautionary tales, evoking disgust rather than admiration. Notoriety feeds on sensationalism. Media amplifies shock value, turning villains into household names while genuine heroes fade into quiet relevance. The dangerous modern twist. Social media has democratized both. A viral moment can catapult someone to fame for a clever video or dance, yet the same platform rewards outrage, making the notorious instantly famous. Algorithms favor clicks over character. As a result, we risk confusing visibility with virtue. True distinction lies in legacy. Fame endures through positive impact. Notoriety collapses under scrutiny. In an age of fleeting attention, choose wisely what you amplify. Celebrate builders, not breakers. Aspire to be remembered for light, not shadow.